Ever wonder how much energy you really have each day? Let's check out the energy scorecard in Samsung Health on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Samsung Health app on your phone. On the dashboard, look for the energy scorecard. Right on the card, you will see today's score and how it compares to yesterday. For example, mine says 63, which is down 7 from yesterday. Tap the card. Here you will see a line chart showing your daily energy trend. Below that, you will find your current score with suggestion to improve it. Mine suggests working on better sleep quality. Scroll further and you will see the factors that make up your energy score, like sleep time average, sleep regularity, and consistency. It's rated from fair to excellent. You will also get the detailed graph of your heart rate during sleep, heart rate variability, skin temperature, and respiratory rate during sleep, all of which influence your overall energy score. So if you want to boost your energy every day, keep an eye on this card and follow the insight Samsung Health gives you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.